everyone and welcome. And today we'll be doing a review on Magic School AI. Now if you've ever struggled to craft captivating stories, maybe you feel like your creativity is trapped, you're not alone. Many aspiring writers face the challenge of bringing their ideas to life because traditional writing tools offer limited assistance, leading you to grapple with writer's block and plot holes. But wouldn't it be amazing if you have a magical companion to guide your storytelling journey? Well, that is where Magic School AI comes in. It's an innovative writing tool that promises to unlock your creative potential. It helps schools with saving time, planning, AI for students, slide generation, feedback, communication, differentiation, and others. So let's dive into it and explore the magic behind Magic School AI in 2025. So let's get started. So it is loved by over 4 million educators and their students. It's an award-winning, most used and most loved AI platform for schools in the world. Because educators use Magic School to help lesson plan, differentiate, write assessments, write IEPs, communicate clearly, and more. And now you can use Magic School for students to drive student outcomes and build AI literacy with responsible AI experiences built and monitored by teachers. The leading AI platform for schools, you can save up to 7 to 10 hours a week of work. It's the most robust AI platform for education. It has the most comprehensive AI tool list for teachers because in just minutes you can generate standards aligned lesson plans, academic content, assessments, individualized IEPs, professional assistance, parent communication, and more. It has AI tools for students monitored by teachers, provide personalized student support, tutoring, feedback, chatbots, and image generation, all customizable to meet the needs of your students. It has robust training resources with multiple certification courses, training options, video walkthroughs, community groups, and more, so you're always supported. It easily integrates into your workflows and existing tools from elements integration like Google Classroom and Canvas API to one-click export into Google Docs, Microsoft Word, and more. So it's responsible AI for schools and 3% privacy rating ranked by Common Sense. Independently evaluated as the best for safety and privacy, it has built-in safeguards, it's compliant with COPPA, GDPR, SOC 2, FERPA, and state privacy laws. It's built to uphold robust privacy needs of school and districts. You can simply embrace this responsible AI for schools. So that is it for Magic AI. Now, it offers a bunch of different tools to make your teaching life easier. It's like having a whole team of educational experts right at your fingertips. These are the resources, there's the community you can join, and the mission. They believe educations are the magic, not the AI. They believe educators are the magic of the AI. For the career, they help you fight teacher burnout and bring responsible AI to schools. And it's independently verified and the most secure platform. Let's look at the pricing before we try to sign up for free. Alright, we have the free plan, the plus plan, the enterprise plan. So this is the most user loved AI platform for the class students. Let's look at the free plan. What you get: an educator or 80 plus standard based time saving AI tools for educators and growing. Get to chat with the AI chatbot called Rihanna. You have all 50 plus educator monitor tools for students that build AI literacy and skills, AI slide generation, presentation generator exportable to Google Slides, AI image generation for educators and students powered by Adobe, Student Room Insights where you get real-time engagement data, identify trends, and provide targeted support. Safety and privacy, independently verified as the most secure AI platform by Common Sense and the rest of them. But since you're interested, let's try signing up for free. Before we do that, if you want to go for the plus plan, you pay $99.96 per year. And enterprise, you have to speak to them or communicate with them, contact them for them to give you an answer. You can just request a quote here. Let's see for the free version. Alright, now you have to decide if you're going to be a student or educator. If you're under the age of 18, you have to choose student. If you're above the age of 18, choose educator. Then you're gonna sign up with your email address or with your Google account. Yes, I want to sign up with my Google account. So I can use this, or you want to sign up with my email. So let me start out with my email. So you put in the email. So next you put in the password. I use a strong password, confirm password. Okay. And then you click on sign up. It's as simple as that. So thanks for signing up. Please check your email to complete the process. So get an email. Yes. And then on the email, in the email, it tells welcome, thanks for signing up, confirm your account by clicking on confirm your account. Once you click on it, you can now sign in from here, log in from here actually. Still verifying. So let's see, signed up, now let's sign in. Welcome to Magic School, the video AI platforms for schools. By signing up, you join millions of educators worldwide who use Magic School AI to assist their work and bring responsible AI to their students. We believe teachers are magic and sincerely hope our teachers can tell you blah blah blah. So they want you to build the profile. They mean to be the profile, current customer experience. So what is your role? You choose your role. Let's say teacher. Next. Then they also offer a appropriate tools, so you can tell us what you want to focus on. Let's say I want to focus on professional level. Click on next. Then they'll recommend the tools that are important. It depends on the speed that you teach. Let's say I teach math. Let's say math. Click on next. How do you wish to be addressed? So you can choose the name the teacher students call you, which is, and then so okay. So what do you want to continue? Okay, we need to apply to the full name first, and then the name the students call you. Then click on get started. And that's it. So click on acknowledge and you are in. It's as simple as that. So you can all the things you have access to because of the options I choose, and I have access to all this. It's really a lot. So we also have the chat box here. You can ask questions based on what you want. Just type in the question and to answer. You can also have to translate, summarize, and custom the question. You can also ask the question through audio and to still translate. So, also have things like links, other links you can click to take you to other parts like love, training, sharing marriage, sense, literacy, and upgrade. So it's the settings where you can change that your stuff and your profile settings. This for translation, when you select the language you want. Instead of English, you want to say another language, you can choose another language. So it's as simple as that. That is it about Magic School AI. So it has a lot of, it's rich, it's really good for students, as you can see. It's really good for teachers too. so everyone benefits from it. Now, as you can see, it is tailored for special education also. It is tailored for schools and students. So it offers a suite of benefits designed to empower educators and enhance learning experience for all students. It has image generation, research assistance, college and career counseling, news plan generator, team building. And when it comes to pricing, we have the free plan, as I mentioned before, the plus plan and the enterprise plan. So for the pros and cons, I would say it's a time saver, personalized learning, engaging content, special education focus, and user friendly. But for the cons, it's the cost, yeah. And the plan with learning curve, AI limitations, and dependency on technology. So if you want other alternatives, you can decide to go for plan book will get head puzzle, class craft, and Kahoot. So hope you find this video helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel for more. Thanks for watching.